Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Longtan Township's red clay soil isn't ideal for most crops, but its foggy climate and abundant rainfall is great for tea. The biggest tea crops in the area are baozhong and oolong tea. In fact, baozhong tea from Longtan is so good, it won the championship for baozhong tea in 1982. After that year, a local tea farmer changed the name of the tea to Longchuan tea, naming it after the region it originated from. If you find yourself in Longtan, you should definitely try some of their famous peanut candy, which goes great with Longchuan tea.
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And this whole month, Leo has been bringing us to different parts of 龙潭，很开心啊！这整个月我们去龙潭各地啊，
对，然后走走看看，玩玩，
没错，
吃。
就是要讲吃了，因为呢，我们累了之后呢，就要吃东西，再加上呢，回到台北之后，我还是要带一些，比如说伴手礼啊，
要买电炉哦，伴手礼
都是 local gifts。
在龙潭最有名的就是饭条圆汤。
That's right. This is something that you would see when you go to Longtan. There's a lot of billboards out there, about their peanut brittle and their peanut candy. 再跟我们讲怎么说？
饭条圆汤。
饭条圆汤。Okay, very interesting. That's actually soft candy. 饭条 basically is peanut. Okay, so peanut soft candy.
可是这样吃会觉得口渴，对不对？
对。
那我们就来喝个六芡茶好了。它这边的有名的茶主要有两种，一种是包种茶，一种是乌龙茶。
OK，
那个包种茶呢，就被那个前总统李登辉先生命名为六芡茶、龙泉茶。
六芡茶就是包种茶。
对。
So when you come here, there's a very famous tea that actually former President Li Denghui named it, and calling it the dragon tea almost, because Longtan actually is, the long is dragon. So it's a very good name and something that you should bring back when you visit Longtan. 龙泉茶，
六芡茶，
六芡茶。这些吃喝的东西听起来就是很 perfect 啊。来，我们再来复习一下，花生软糖，
饭条圆汤，
饭条圆汤。Then you have the tea, 龙泉茶。
六芡茶，
六芡茶。And finally, these are all local gifts and food that you can bring back. 也就是伴手礼咯。
电炉，
好，这个龙潭之旅呢就非常的完美了
对的。
谢谢大家的收听。That is for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.